600,000 jobs. That's the number floating around right now. Not from one company, not from one industry, just everywhere. And the internet already decided what it means. AI takeover, white collar extinction. Hope you like farming. But that's not the real story, not even close. Here's the clean version. At the start of 2026, a lot of big companies announced layoffs. Tech, banks, retail, manufacturing. Amazon alone confirmed about 16,000 corporate roles cut in January. That's on top of earlier reductions. Total close to 30,000 since late 2025. Zoom out, and workforce trackers estimate roughly 600,000 jobs gone across industries in just a couple of months, mostly corporate roles, mostly restructuring, mostly planned, not sudden collapse. No asteroid, no overnight crash, just a recalibration because our brains love simple villains. So the story becomes AI replace humans, which is comforting in a weird way. At least there is a clear enemy. But that's not really what's happening. Another bad take is economy is crashing. But if that were true, companies wouldn't be hiring aggressively in other departments at the exact same time. This feels confusing because we are mixing three different things and calling them one story: automation, cost correction, and organizational bloat. Different forces, same headline. Let's go under the hood. During the last few years, companies hired fast, sometimes too fast. Teams grew layers. Managers managed managers. Meetings multiplied like bacteria. Now add two pressures. Number one, money is more expensive. Efficiency suddenly matters again. And number two, automation is finally good enough to change workflows, not just demo videos. So companies ask a brutal question: which roles move outcomes and which roles just move information? Not people, roles. That's the key. This isn't a cyclical recession move. It's structural cleanup. Painful, but intentional. Imagine a massive code base. No one touched it for years. Features tagged on features. Temporary hacks become permanent. Then one day, someone says we need to refactor, not because the app is dead, but because it's alive and expensive to maintain. So you remove the duplicate logic, you delete unused functions, you collapse abstractions. From the outside, it looks like destruction. From the inside, it's survival. That's what's happening to companies. Layoffs are the get remove phase. Uncomfortable, necessary, and often misunderstood. One calm truth: jobs that exist mainly to relay information, coordinate without ownership, and sit between decision and execution are under pressure. Jobs tied to building, maintaining, improving, or clearly owning outcomes are still very much alive. This isn't about learning one hot skill. It's about being legible to the system. Can the company point at you and say, this moves the needle? That question matters more than the titles now. So no, AI didn't steal 600,000 jobs overnight. And no, this isn't the end of work. It's a messy rewrite of how work is structured. Question for you: which parts of your role are outcomes and which parts are just motion? Think about it. Thanks for watching.